Hello Quizmaker users, welcome to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you on how to import true or false type questions into your Quizmaker. It's a breeze, so let's get started. Step 1. Download the template. First things first, download the template from the Quizmaker Question Importer plugin. You can find the link in the description below. Step 2. Fill in the template. Open up the template and follow these easy steps. In the question type column, type true _or _false. Now, fill in the question title and content columns. If your question has an image, provide the URL in the question image column. Specify the number of points for the question in the question weight column. Categorize your question, for example, as grammar in the question category column. Add relevant tags separated by commas, such as online course, online tags. Step 3. Skip options 1 to 5 for true/false questions. Here's a tip: for true/false questions, you don't need to fill in option 1 to option 5. Just leave them blank. Step 4. Adding images to true/false questions. If your true/false question involves images, fill in the image URLs in option 1 and option 2 columns. Step 5. Set different answer points. To assign different point values for correct and incorrect answers, use the pipe symbol as a separator. For example, for a 0 means 4 points for a correct answer and 0 points for an incorrect one. Step 6. Specify correct answer. In the correct answer column, indicate the correct option, either 1 or 2 for true or false questions. Step 7. Additional details. Complete the wrong answer text, right answer text, question hints, and explanation columns to provide additional information about the question. Step 8. Save and upload. Save your template, and now head over to the Quizmaker Question Importer plugin settings page. Upload your saved template, and you're good to go. Let's see how it will be imported into the Quizmaker. Congratulations! You've successfully imported all your true or false questions with answers and images. How easy was that? If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy quizzing!